FC गोवा फाउंडेशन आणि स्पेशल ऑलिम्पिक भारतामध्ये कबलात झाली। कबलाती प्रमाण FC गोवा स्पेशल ऑलिम्पिक भारताच्या वेगवेगळ्या कार्यावळीक आदार करतले। MOU साइन करपा निमतान स्पेशल ऑलिम्पिकाक प्रशिक्षकांक 3 दिसाची प्रशिक्षण कार्यावळ दवरिल्ली। फुटसाल एक्झिबिशन मॅच जाली, तातूंत FC गोवाचे 4 प्लेयर आशिल्ले।
The FC Goa Foundation coming into this arena give us a boost of creating awareness, and we have had a MOU with FC Goa at no cost to anybody, and FC Goa coaches will be training our athletes in different schools. Besides that, wherever we have an event, FC Goa will make their presence felt. That gives us a boost in order to create an awareness in the whole of Goa, the way it is being done today. Our 3 days program was with the orientation program for the coaches of FC Goa to make them understand what is how to train our special athletes. So we had a half a day orientation program with them. And yesterday, the 4th, and today the 5th, we had the futsal tournament. It's the first time that it's been, and this idea is to create inclusion. And very soon we'll be having Special Olympics Bharat Goa. Will have its own team of futsal and football, where we would go around the villages and the districts and the centers of churches, etc., to play football, to display the talent.
स्पेशल ऑलिम्पिक भारताचे खेळगडे बरे खेळतात, तांकां फुडार बरो आसा म्हूण FC गोवाच्या प्लेयरांनी तोखणाय केली।
I just want to say it was a great feeling playing against these kids, because should never judge anybody's like quality or ability, and we could see that today over here that they are filled with like talent and all. So
it was a good day for us, as we could experience something different, and we enjoyed playing with them, as we know that they got a lot of talent, skill, and I can say that they have a bright future, and I think they should keep moving forward and keep playing the way they play.
We enjoyed with them, and they are so happy when they see the other players, like especially FC Goan players. If they see like this, they are almost like happy, too much happy. So I just want to say best of luck for them.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठी।
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।